Using for loop with range method. Using for loop with range method. Range method is very useful function that can generate numbers that you specified. Let's see how. First we go to brackets and type for value in range parentheses 1 to 5, which means here to generate numbers starting by 1 stops in 5, which means 5 will not going to print. Also make sure you have the indent before print keyword because it should be within for loop. Then print that by typing print value. Okay, let's try that on terminal. Okay, as you can see here, we get an error because we forgot the colon. These little mistakes are always happening with programmers. Just be aware of that. Okay, try that on terminal again. Wonderful, it works well right now. Started from 1 and stopped on 5. Thanks for watching.